A quick word on color theory. I teach a lot of design courses and have taught a lot of design courses in the past. And a lot of people always ask me about, what about color theory? Red means this, blue means that, orange means this. And some people get really stuck and lost in the weeds about using color theory when using their design, when designing a UI or a website or whatever. Color theory does have statistics and data to back it. But at the end of the day, it's still just a theory. What's most important is that you make design choices that are best for your users. So a lot of tech websites have a secondary or accent color of blue. A lot of hospitals do as well, because blue is a very safe color, it's a very reassuring color, and it's a very confidence-inspiring color. And so if you were to just follow color theory, you'd be like, okay, cool, I'm designing some sort of tech website, I want to use blue. The problem is everyone else is doing that exact same thing. And so if you were to maybe flip it on its head and use different colors and use them well, you're going to draw a lot of attention to your website or to your design, because that is a choice that you wanted to make based on what your users needed. Sometimes blue won't resonate with your users or your audience. Sometimes red won't either. Red, they often say red's a powerful color. It's an intimidating and intense color. That is true. But I bet there's some colors in here or some designs in here that use red, like this one, right? Like, actually, let's look at this first. So this is a really like monochromatic design. It's really cool. I saw red. I swear I did. All right, so there's blue. Was there not a red one? Oh, yeah, so like right here, like this red is very intense. This one right here, it's very powerful. It's domineering, right? It's a very strong red. So you're like, okay, yeah, so use that red. Judith, we'll miss you. But at the same time, we use a red here. It's a different tint of red, but using a red here portrays a completely different message, right? This is more fun, this is more artistic, and it's more playful. Same color, different usage. So that's why color theory is a theory, and you can follow it to whatever degree you want. But at the end of the day, you're going to want to make design choices that are best for your end user and for the cause of what you're trying to create or portray in your design. So don't get caught up, don't get stuck in the weeds. I feel like a lot of designers, especially a lot of new designers, do that, and they feel like they got to follow it like it's a scientific method. But don't worry about it. Use it as a guideline, just like everything else that we've covered in this course.